my name is Mark. I'm here at JTech, and today we're talking a little bit about engine lubrication. So I'm going to explain a little bit more about the process of oil lubricating your engine. The first step we have here is the oil pump itself. The oil pump is going to create a vacuum with the two gears inside of the oil pump, and it's going to create pressure pushing the oil from the other side of the gear out of the pump. Once pressure starts to build in the oil pump, it'll turn off your oil pressure light. It'll turn off the sensor that'll turn off the light in your instrument cluster inside of your vehicle. After that process is done, it's going to go through an oil filter and most likely a cooler, where you'll have a thermistor if your car is equipped with one to send a signal to your ECM on the temperature of your oil. After that, as the oil is flowing through and it's still building pressure, the oil is going to come into your galleries, to your crankshaft galleries, and it's going to lubricate the bearings for your crankshaft and also the bearings for your connecting rod on the piston. While the oil is going through, it's also going to lubricate the counterbalance shaft. The shaft inside is also going to lubricate the chain and the tension for the counterbalance assembly. As that's happening, it's also going to push through another set of galleries that's going to push it through jets inside the cylinder. That's going to be able to lubricate your wrist pins, your connecting rod, your cylinder walls on the top and the bottom, and also the bottom of the piston. That way the piston doesn't get too hot. Once it's flown through there, it's gotten the piston and everything in the crankshaft lubricated. It goes up through the galleries into your head, into the valve cover, to where now the oil can lubricate your camshaft bearings, your followers, and/or rocket arms and lifters if you have them, the valve stems themselves. It'll also lubricate your camshaft phaser, which can advance or retard the timing in your engine through a way of an actuator, which also gets lubricated for the phaser. After it's lubricated the entire valve cover and everything in it, it flows down these little holes, these little galleries back down into the oil pan to restart the process to keep your engine cool and running at max capability. And that's engine lubrication.